Hello everyone, welcome to another video. We don't actually need this one, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can open the PS5 controller. It is very easy, just follow my steps. Oops. Okay, after opening those 4 screws, there are 2 pins here. These ones are a bit tricky. You are going to pull the controller aside and simultaneously pull this pin. So I open this side first and then this side. Alright, now if you want to change the rubbers or the thumbsticks, you have to open everything here to access that. There is 2 small pins here holding the motherboard. And that's how you open the PS5 controller. That was all for this video. If you're wondering how you can change the rubbers, especially the L2 and R2, they are so hard to open, check this video on the top. And if you're wondering how you can close this mess, check the bottom video. Drop a like if this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching. See you.